snack from Indonesia. It's called Mendoan. Quite healthy snack because it's like from soya bean. If anyone knows tempe, it's like fermented soya bean. Now it's based from that. You can see like this. Tempe. Yeah. Okay, let's start it. This is the ingredient: onion, garlic, spring onion, chopping spring onion, and tempe. And for the butter, I prepare only 2 tablespoons flour and salt and coriander. Okay, so first we have to crush the onion and garlic first. 3 cloves garlic and onion, and sudah jadi. After we crush this until at least something like this, we slice the tempe. Ta-da! Yeah, we slice this size, and then after this we prepare for soaking. So for soaking the tempe, we take some of like half of the paste of garlic and onion and salt, and then put a bit warm water and mix, stir it up, and then soak all the tempe like for 5 minutes. So left this for 5 minutes. While we doing this, we prepare for the butter. Here I will make the vegan butter. So 2 tablespoons of flour, and I use a bit vegan milk, and chop of spring onion, salt, and a bit coriander powder, and also the rest of the paste, the garlic and onion paste. Okay, so first put the rest of the garlic and onion paste, and then the spring onion chop, put a bit coriander powder, if you like you can put pepper also, and then put the milk, and then after this put water. Make sure mix. Okay, now time to cooking. Put the oil. After the oil hot, take the tempe that we already marinated, dip into butter, and fry it. Dip. You can see like this. So take here and here and there. Sorry, a bit messy. Yeah. Right until golden brown. Ready to take. It's a bit hard. Have to turn off first. Finally, mendoan. Don't forget to put chili sauce. And my wife already here. Wanna try, darling?
Okay. Ooh, hot.
How is it?
I don't know.
The flavor?
Listen to the crunch.
Oh, yes.
Flavor's good.
Okay, this tempting
Try
me.
it.
Okay. Ooh, this one. Crunchy. Double dip, sorry. Yeah. Vegan mendoan.